Good morning everyone, Liliana from Vanilla and Canela here and Alex, and we have just been to Tesco's. I filmed a little bit for you, so take a look now and then I'll show you what I got. So Alex and I are back from Tesco's. I'm going to show you the food first and then the home decor haul. So I got some milk, some romaine lettuce, prawns, two things of chipolatas, it was 2 for £3, a smoked gammon joint, I'm going to cook that in the slow cooker, some double cream, a root vegetable. It says for mashing, but I'm actually going to use it to make soup. Loads of smoothies. Innocent smoothies were £1.36 a box, which is an awesome deal. Got some coffee, some madeleines. I've never seen these before made by Tesco's. I usually buy the Bon Maman. This was a better deal. 2 packets of crisps, pulled pork, and some lightly salted. I forgot to say that we've got Paul's parents coming to stay with us for a few days, so some of the stuff is because they're coming. There's a fruit loaf there, some latte, some baguettes there pre-baked, some savoury eggs, some apples. I got some wine. I got the cheapest wine possible. This is to use in cooking. A fresh baguette. I also got some flowers, which I have not gotten fresh flowers in ages, so I thought these were really cute. And look, guaranteed for 7 days. It's Paul's mum's birthday and Alex chose what is going to be a birthday cake. It's a Jurassic World chocolate tray bake. Also got cooked chicken there. Picked up some shower gel. I saw this little pot and I thought it was so cute. It was £3 with the pot, so I thought that was really nice. And then some grapes. This whole tray was £3. So this is the other non-food, non-wash related. I picked up these for Alex. I thought these were really cute, and he needs some little trainers for school, for PE. I thought these would be easy for him to put on, and they were in the sale. So originally they cost £7, they cost £5. So that is a bargain. The other thing I got was this little mini food storage tubs. This is to add to Alex's packed lunches and things like that. I also got one of these little mirrors for the bathroom. It needed to be a low one so we can use it basically. I picked up this for £1.50. Thought this was really cute. I have a place in mind to use it. I thought, yeah, nice, pretty. And then I also got Alex some pajamas for £12, 2-pack, because he's outgrown all of his. And then as well I got a bath mat. I think this was like £6. It's nice and fluffy, and if you guys remember, my bathroom is cream and pink. And I think for now I'm going to have to embrace it. At some point I might do a makeover on it. So I picked like this nice little cozy mat. And finally I got 2 of these plain lamp shades. These are for the kitchen. They will go there in the kitchen, and then there's one in there as well. Can you guys see? So yeah, they were £10 each. And that is it for this haul, you guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.